Hey there, awesome educators and course creators. Welcome back to Dr. G EdTech and Design, your go-to channel for mastering the latest and greatest in educational technology. If you're new to our community, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and give the notification bell a little love. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on our content. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that's going to revolutionize your instructional design game. We're counting down the top 5 EdTech tools every instructional designer should know in 2025. These tools are absolute game changers that'll save you time, skyrocket learner engagement, and help you create courses that'll make jaws drop. So, let's get this party started. Kicking off our list at number 5, we've got this design powerhouse has come a long way. Folks, it's not just for pretty graphics anymore. Canva's now a one-stop shop for creating stunning course materials, infographics, and even interactive presentations. With its user-friendly interface and a treasure trove of templates, you'll be whipping up professional-looking content in no time. Moving on to number 4. Say hello to Articulate Rise 360. This bad boy is like the Swiss Army knife of learning authoring tools. It's responsive, intuitive, and lets you create sleek, mobile-friendly courses faster than you can say much. Plus, its collaboration features are off the charts, making team projects a breeze. Coming in hot at number 3 is Loom. Video content is king, and Loom is your ticket to the throne. This nifty tool lets you record, edit, and share video messages and tutorials with just a few clicks. It's perfect for creating quick, explicable videos, giving personalized feedback, or adding that human touch to your online courses. Sliding into the number 2 spot, we've got this isn't just a note-taking app, folks. It's a full-blown productivity powerhouse. From project management to content creation and collaboration, Notion does it all. It's like having your own digital brain that keeps all your instructional design ideas and resources perfectly organized. And drumroll, please. At number 1, we have ChatGPT. That's right, AI tools are here to stay, and they're changing the game in instructional design. From generating creative ideas to helping with content creation and even personalized learning experiences. ChatGPT is like having a super smart assistant at your fingertips 24/7. There you have it, folks. The top 5 EdTech tools. That'll take your instructional design skills to the next level in 2025. Which one are you most excited to try? Please drop a comment below and let me know. And if you found this video helpful, give it a big thumbs up and share it with your fellow instructional designers. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and I'll see you in the following video. Thanks for listening to Dr. G EdTech and Design.